Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to use the shortcut key for Save As in Excel. Ready to get started? If you want a quick and easy way to save a copy of your workbook, the hotkey F12 is your friend. Just press F12 and Excel will instantly open the Save As window. Now here's a quick note. On some keyboards, you'll need to press the function key, or FN, before hitting F12. If your keyboard has a separate function key, be sure to press it first, then press F12. The Save As window will pop up, letting you browse to select the location for your new file and define its name. Simple, right? Want to discover more useful Excel shortcuts? Watch more video tutorials by Tech Leveler. You'll find links to these tutorials in the description below. If this tutorial helped you out, give us a like and check out other Excel tutorials on our channel. New to Tech Leveler? Join our community by hitting subscribe. We're thrilled to have you with us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.